I'm pretty sure this is all you're gonna need. Just the basic tools. What is up, everybody? It is your boy T-Dub back at again with a brand new video, and today we're going to be replacing the door handle on this 2005 Chevy Tahoe. I'm used to saying Silverado because that's what I drive. Picked up this replacement from AutoZone, and I'm gonna show y'all how to put this one on and how to switch out the lock and the door handle, so stay tuned. Basically, for this job, all you really need is a screwdriver or a little prying tool to pop some of these tabs out, like your basic little socket set with an extension, just in case if you need to get into some tight spaces. But once we go along with the video, you'll understand what you'll need, and I'll kind of explain everything as we go. So here we go. So you can pop this out right here. All that is, just a little cap. Then right here is a little star bit, popped off that piece. And then we're gonna pop off the lock and unlock toggle, and then pop out the light. Simple as that. Just remember, whenever you put it back on the door, have the unlock facing towards the outside of the door. Then we'll go ahead and get the star bit. I believe it's a T5, but don't mark my word. But yeah, that's all it is right there. Just a little screw with the star bit. That's it right there. There's another screw you can see right there. You can reach from underneath. You can get that with the little extension that I showed you. And then this piece right here, you can just pop it out, and I'll show you exactly what it is. It's not a screw, it's just like a little pin. And I'll show you how to pull that piece off real quick. It's a little scary, but it's how it is. Just little pop out pins. And then if you remember this far pin that I told you that you can just pull out, this is all it is. All you gotta do is just put the screwdriver behind it and just pull it out. And then to reinstall it, you just push it in, and these teeth kind of hold itself in place. It's kind of nice. And then this light right here is probably the easiest thing you will ever take off of this truck. Pop the screwdriver behind it, and it just falls right out. And then there's a little pin right here. You push down and just pull it out. I took out this tray so I wouldn't make a mess, but you don't have to. It should pop right out. Ta-da! Then inside here, you can see wires right there. I'll try to get a better angle. That pin right there, so this pin right here, it sits in like that. And all you gotta do is push this down and pull it out, and you're gonna do that for 2 more. And just like that, it's off. Basically, this little weather seal, you're gonna stick the screwdriver behind it and pop it out. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but right there is one of the screws, one of the 3 screws that you're gonna need to loosen to get this out. Like I said, that one right there, this screw in here, and then one more sneaky one right up there. You just gotta reach up for it. Piece of cake, 10mm. And a lot of people get nervous about the bolt that's way back in there. I know I was nervous about it, but it's super easy. You just get your extension with the 10mm, stick it right through here, and it's right there. If it falls, no biggie. You can reach in here, you can find it. Piece of cake. Boom. That's all you need right there. So now that you got all 3 bolts slid out, normally you would have a pin right here, but obviously it broke. There's a red pin right here. All you gotta do is pull it, and it swings out, and then you can just unhook it. This right here is your lock, and you're gonna want to move that over to the new door handle. This pin right here, these 2 little pins, you're gonna want to stick the screwdriver in there, kind of swing it around. It's kind of like a safety pin, if you will, and this will just slide right out. I try to do this on camera with the camera in my face. Alright, swing it out past that tooth right there. You should be able to get the other side with no problem. Just kind of swing it back under it, pull out this side, and boom. There's your safety pin, and your lock comes right out. Remember, whenever you put on the new handle, you're going to want it to face the same way, just like that. I just discovered that the new handle comes with a new safety pin, so awesome. Remember, face it that way. Make sure it's nice and snug. Looks pretty up front. And you're just gonna swing this safety pin around. Boom, just like that. It's in. Good to go. Now we're gonna see if we can get this thing back on. So this red one, it's gonna swing down onto this bottom one. You're gonna wanna stick it in, basically, while it's up, and then you're going to want to swing it down and snug it with that back pin. There we go. Alright, now this is your door handle. So just to show you, that this is the pin that broke. Easy example right here. You pop this little black clip, which the green one's gonna replace. See how it swings off of it? And then you can just pop it right out. Now, just position this up. Pop your green one in. Swing it down. Make sure it clips good. Just like that. You're going to want to open the door handle so it kind of tucks itself down and in. And then make sure your pins go inside the correct slots. Boom. Just like that. Now hit it with the pins. 1, 2, 3. And then everything in reverse order. Time lapse in 3, 2, 1.